Good evening, everyone. My name is Karan Rathod, and I have completed my graduation in BCom from Thakur College of Science and Commerce. And I am currently working with Excel Dynamics as a financial analyst, and I am currently pursuing my MBA from SAS Institute of Management. Apart from that, I am a fitness enthusiast, and I like to work out every day. So today, I am going to present a presentation on material requirement planning. Uh, so let's get started with the presentation. This was my short introduction. So we can get started with the presentation itself. So MRP. This presentation is on material requirement planning and is designed to assist material requirement planning. What is material requirement planning? Material requirement planning is designed to assist manufacturers in inventory and production management. It is a very important tool and a very useful tool to manage their inventory and production. Okay. Definition of material requirement planning. Material requirement planning is a production planning, scheduling, and inventory control system used to manage manufacturing processes. Questions. Now, MRP is designed to answer three questions. They are: what is needed, how much is needed, and when is it needed. Okay, so basically these are the three questions that is answered by MRP, and it helps in inventory management and production control. Benefits. Now, what are the benefits of MRP? Following are some of its benefits: improved customer service, improved productivity, reduced purchasing power, purchasing cost, reduce inventory levels, reduce manufacturing cost, higher quality products, increased efficiency. So basically it helps in optimum use of resources and improve customer services. Okay, so these are the following benefits of MRP. Apart from that, these are the limitations. Following are some of the limitations. Need to have an expensive computer system, need to be accurate, need accurate and up-to-date inputs. The data should be up to date, or else this may not work properly and there may be some failures in the system. So these are the limitations, and the reporting requirements are excessive. Resistance from inside the company. So there are some people are resistant to this inside the company. They do not provide proper data, and then this system may not work. Okay. Objectives. Now, what is the objective of MRP? The main theme of MRP is getting the right material to the right place at the right time. Ensure materials are available for production. Maintain the lowest possible material and product level in store. Plan manufacturing activities, delivery schedules, and purchasing activities. So basically, this helps in inventory management, properly managing the inventory and properly controlling the production, and leads to optimum production. Inputs of MRP. Following are its inputs: product structure file, master production schedule, and inventory master file. Product structure file, bill of materials, list of parts and components that are required to build a product. Is called as the product structure file. Includes bill of material, that includes list of parts and components that are required to build a product. Master production schedule. Master production schedule, schedule of finished products, represents production, not demand. So master production schedule represents the finished schedule of finished goods, and it represents production and not demand. Combination of customer orders and demand forecast, and what needs to be produced. So master production schedule is a schedule that shows what needs to be produced, and the demand forecast also, that how much needs to be produced and how much demand will be there ahead in future. Inventory master file, on hand quantities, on order quantities, lot sizes, safety stock, lead time, past usage figures. So the inventory master file includes all these things. That is on hand quantities that is available, on order quantities, that is quantities which are ordered, lot sizes and what lot the quantities are ordered, safety stocks, that is needed if there is any problem like a power cut or something, or if there is strike and the order quantities are not delivered. So safety stock is also needed, and inventory master file shows the safety stock as well. Lead time, how much time it will take for production, etc. And past usage figures. So past records, we can get to know how much orders we have made and how much orders we will need to make on that basis. MRP outputs, manufacturing orders, purchasing orders, various reports. Three basic steps of MRP: identifying requirements, running MRP, creating the suggestions, and forming the suggestions. These are the following three steps of MRP. Identifying the requirements. So what are the requirements? And this can be identified through what stock we have in hand, that is quantity on hand, quantity on open purchase order, how much we have ordered right now, how much we have ordered the quantity and is in order, quantity in or planned or manufacturing, quantity which is right now work in progress or which are right now in the process of manufacturing, quantity committed for existing orders, and quantity forecasted, that is quantity which we will need in future. Important information: MRP is company sensitive, location sensitive, and date sensitive. So the MRP is company sensitive, that is it depends on different companies and different locations, etc. And date sensitive, that is the order should be delivered on the desired date, or is there the production would be hampered. Running MRP, creating the suggestions. Step 2. Critical items, items of immediate importance, expedient items, items that need to be sped up, delay items, items that are not of vital importance and can be. So the items are divided in three categories, that is critical, expedient, and delay items. Forming the suggestions: manufacturing orders, purchasing orders, and various reports. So these are the suggestions what we need to do for accelerating the production. Okay, so this is a case called as Hubble lighting case. Manufactures industrial lighting products. So this company manufactures industrial lighting products, good quality products, poor at meeting due dates. It was poor at meeting due dates. Work is specialized for each customer. Job shop environment, complex products. So it had a complex products also. Hubble lighting case. Before implementation of MRP, Hubble lighting case, less than 75% of orders were completed. They used to get a good amount of orders, but before MRP, the orders that were completed only 75%. And after MRP implementation, the order increased to 97%. So we can see the complete difference after MRP. And 2% of orders completed within 1 to 2 days after due date. So we can conclude that MRP is a very good tool to implement in a company, and which will leads to good production, and it leads to optimum use of resources, and which leads to get the potential profits. So thank you. This was my presentation on MRP. Thank you.